Hello everyone, this is Ryan Beardsley with BeardsleyAuctions.com. I just want to show you the Ford 4610 we have online now at BeardsleyAuctions.com, Beardsley, auctions with an S. Has really good rubber. The back are very nice. Fronts are good as well. This tractor, the key was left on before it came here, and it looks to me like the ignition switch wire is melted. I'll show you that. The tractor ran great until it didn't. Okay, so when it came from the consignor, it came with this wire right here is burnt. I'll show you. That wire connects right into here and goes up into the dash. So I do believe that is the ignition wire. However, I'm far from a mechanic, as you probably all know. But again, it's a 4610, decent tractor. Somebody that knows what they're doing a lot better than I do. This would make them a great tractor. Fantastic tires on the back. Has your quad hydros. This will make you a great project. So if you're interested in this one, you might want to come look at it in person. It's here on our auction lot. If you need the address, reach out to us, shoot us an email, shoot us a text, come check it out. Again, this is selling online now at BeardsleyAuctions.com, BeardsleyAuctions with an S.com. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck.